What's up, family? So if y'all are new to my channel, welcome. I'm trying to be super quiet because right now I am about to prank the kids in the kitchen. I am going to act like I cut off my finger to get their reaction, and because it is Halloween time, I went and got fake blood. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I just had to yell at them and get out my room just so I could do this for y'all. So I really hope this come in clutch, because this is so hard to pull off with kids, because y'all know kids, they always want to bother you. They don't ever want to go do their own thing. So right now, while they're in the living room watching TV and whatnot, I'm actually going to try and turn down a living room TV and see if I can get everything set up. Before we start, I just want to say, if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on another upload. And again, welcome to my channel, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this prank. See you in the kitchen. Myself. It's a prank. Just fake blood.
Where do you get fake blood? That we buy from the Halloween store.
Did I totally get you? Did I fool you? That was so freaking epic.
It smells weird.
It does smell weird.
Owie.
Who's the best prankster mommy ever? Me? Did I totally prank you guys?
I know.
Ooh. You can It's a prank.
Mommy,
Did I scare you to death? How you feeling? Tell the fam how you feeling.
worse than ever.
You feel worse than ever? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Did I totally fool you or what? Who's the best prankster? Team Mommy? Team Mommy? Team Mommy? Team Mommy? It's okay. Give me some love. I love you. You got a little blood on you? Just a little Halloween blood. Ooh! So y'all, let me tell y'all, Jacqueline knows how to use my camera, so she's more than welcome to set me up for pranks. It's gonna be kid versus mommy. She was gonna try and drive me to the store, bless her heart. I mean, the hospital. I love you, my baby. Did I totally fool you? Just fake blood. Did I fool you?
My nose.
Did I fool you? Yeah, who's the best mommy prankster ever? Me? Team Mommy, say it.
Team Mommy.
That was epicness. Well, you guys, this is the end of the prank. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss out on another epic prank from Team Mommy. Peace.